our women members of the parliament. They are also elected members of the parliament with big majority. They came with great pain and agony through the political movement, and then only they become the member of parliament. That day when the issue happened, they went into the well. Of course, along with others, they are also there. Then what drama had been created to protect your Prime Minister? I'm not telling this is also. Speakers comment on that. I got an information that, this is what the Speaker told. I got an information that some very bad thing will happen to the Prime Minister. Why the women MPs are planning something. Where he got that information? If that information he got, why don't you give it to the police? Here the security forces are there. We are not ruling this country. We are not ruling this country. When you giving a very defamative, derogatory statement against women MPs, that was one of the most irresponsible statement by the Honorable Speaker, sir. Most irresponsible statement. No. I'm not yielding. Sir, if you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
Against the speaker.
If you have got such information, that's a serious thing. You have to.
We are discussing about resolution on speaker.
Just a minute.
Sir, Venugopal ji, you have made a very serious allegations against the speaker's statement. I have to speak because this house cannot be. We are discussing on the resolution to remove speaker. So while we are discussing, while we are making allegation, we must be very careful that what is the nature of that allegation. Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji is not sitting on the chair. So he is not here to make clarification to the allegation you have made. Now he is not in the chair right now. My point is, since you have made a very serious allegation about the sitting speaker, that you speaker's statement about the threat by the women MPs who were rushing to the well and garrowing in front of the seat where Honorable Prime Minister sits.
ठीक है किरण जी.
Now, that day, Venugopal ji, you yourself was present there. Don't disturb. No, I'm talking to you. Don't disturb. So, you don't disturb. Venugopal ji, you were there. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also there. Rahul ji was not there on that day. Rahul Gandhi ji, you were not there that day. Venugopal ji, look at me. Venugopal ji, look at me. Venugopal ji, you were there on that day. Nearly 25-30 Congress MPs went there. I was there present in the house when I saw your entire MPs rushed inside the speaker's chamber. Then I also went inside the speaker's chamber. One of your MPs released an illegal video. How your MPs were threatening the speaker.
Okay.
I have never seen in the entire parliamentary history that MPs can go to the speaker's chamber and threatening the speaker.
आप बोलेंगे बाद में.
I have made it very clear from the day
मंत्री जी
one.
आप बाद में और बोलेंगे.
We may have differences,
कंटिन्यू करने दीजिए.
but what is the meaning of sending MPs to the speaker's chamber?
Okay.
And what is the meaning
Venugopal
of...
ji, please continue. Venugopal ji, please continue. Okay. Venugopal ji, please continue.
Sir, I am taking the responsibility what I am said. I am taking the responsibility what I am said. Don't threaten me, Mr. Kiran Rijiju ji.